Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we'll be talking about JetBlue's new aircraft, the Airbus A220. In the summer of 2018, JetBlue placed an order for 60 Airbus A220 aircraft, with an additional 60 on options with the flexibility to downsize to a 100 variant. The reason JetBlue ordered the new Airbus A220-300 aircraft was to replace their current fleet of Embraer 190s. They currently have a fleet of 60 Embraer 190s. They currently have an order for the Airbus A220-300 aircraft to start replacing the Embraer 190s up to 2025. Airbus has announced the inauguration of its new final assembly line hangar in Alabama and provided an early look at the first A220 jetliner to be built within it. The Airbus A220-300 Jet currently being built in the facility will be going to JetBlue. It will be the second US Built Airbus A220. It's currently planned to be delivered in the second half of 2020. JetBlue chose Viasat to complete the in-flight connectivity across its entire fleet of Airbus A220 aircraft. JetBlue's new Airbus A220-300s offer wider seats, a range of 3,300 nautical miles, which is capable of completing short-haul, medium-haul, and transcontinental flights. For the passengers, it has larger overhead bins, its cabin is quieter, larger windows, wider seats, and more spacious cabins. For the environment, the jet has decreased emissions and 40% less fuel burn per seat than the aircraft it's replacing, the Embraer 190s. What do you guys think of the new Airbus A220 aircraft? Will you be booking a JetBlue flight just to fly in one? Comment down below. And if you want to see more aviation videos like this one, subscribe and hit the bell button to always get notifications when I upload a brand new video. That's all for this video. It's been Marlin the Aviator, and I'm out.